don't click, don't use it. Tonight's video, we're gonna have a little fun. So if you got yourself one of these TripleTek 8 Pro tablet, it says here big, do not use other screws than what we provide. So make sure you use the provided screws. It's gotta be important, otherwise they wouldn't put this big warning. The strap that it comes with, you have to screw it down with some screws. I'm gonna take off those screws. I seem to be doing everything from my car. Are you guys like me? Do you fly from your car? Do you do everything from your car these days? So there you go, you got your 4 holes over here. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, we've got the screws. Just take the bracket. It's as simple as screwing down 4 screws. That's it. Now you're probably wondering, well, how come I still have the TripLTek, right? Don't I have the RC Pro? Yeah, well, I have both. I did a video, check the link up here, talking about the advantages and disadvantages of both. And I got 20/20 vision, so I can see pretty good with the RC Pro, but not everybody can, right? Some of us, we need glasses. Some of us, we can't fly with a 5-inch screen. We need these big screens, right? So TripLTek definitely has its place. See, it's branded TripLTek. Now let's see how this clips to this. Check this out. I'm guessing the lanyard fits. Oh, this fits nice. Snug. Look at that. Fits in nice and snug over here. Look at that. And it's got 2 holes. It's got different holes, one higher and one lower. So yeah, let's go with the higher. Oh, this is nice. Simple, easy solution. Let me bring my antenna down to make it more compact as possible. Bring the antenna down, then lock it off. Looking good. Not only that, the controller feels nice and robust. Here we go. This looks like you loose it and then, oh, you got mobility. Look at that. You need mobility in your life. Tighten up the screw and that locks it in place. It's got, I don't know if you can see, but it's got 2 holes here, which is perfect for like clipping your lanyard. And look, oh look, they sent the lanyard too. It comes with the lanyard. I like it. I like it. That is good. That's good. Cable's in. I've got the ultimate position right here, and it's actually not feeling heavy. I'm actually liking this. Now I'm decked out. I'm lanyard out. Okay, Rain, just stop. I need to try this thing out. I'm excited. Master Airscrew propellers for the Air 2S. There we go. It comes in a little case. Well, the box is just a box. Comes a nice little case too. Jet matte black. Sure it clicks. If it don't click, don't use it. Let's see how well these new props do. Feels good. The props definitely make the drone a little bit, in my opinion, a little bit more responsive. It does feel a little bit more agile, so take that into consideration. Nice, sturdy, great for jobs and professional work, and even just for hanging out and just chilling. It's solid. It's not going anywhere. This is the solution I'm looking for, and it's official, branded from TripLTek, the makers of this tablet. So if you have this tablet and you have this controller, which flies the Air 2S, the Air 2, the Mavic 3, and the Mini 2, yeah, this pretty much will fly all of those drones for you. One suggestion would be to include the cable. I'll leave a link in the description section where you could pick up this cable just in case you're interested in picking up this TripleTek mount. So you don't have to worry, the cable fits just the right length. The lanyard, nice touch, but I just wish it didn't have 2 clips because it keeps jamming the sticks. One would be fine, or maybe I'll just clip these 2 together. When it comes to the Master Airscrew props, I like it. I prefer to always have that power. I like the when you ease off of it, it kind of gives like this floating kind of a feel that I like. That helps to make the footage just a lot smoother. They say it gives you a little bit more flight time because it's more efficient, so I'll have to take their word on that. Now we got 2 more pieces of accessories to check out. The beauty, the magic of film. It's daytime, and look, I'm one of those guys don't use screen protectors because everything bubbles up. So we'll see how good this thing is. There we go. Oh, they give you 2. So if you mess up one, you got another one. Quality control, they say wipe it. It's a good thing, otherwise I would have just glued it on there and been like, what's all this stuff under here? So clean it up good, you hear me? Clean it up good. It's got a peel thing here. I told you I suck at this stuff. I hope I don't damage the screen, that's all. Here we go. I told you I'm not good with stuff like that. I just don't have patience for this type of. Wow, it fits neatly.
No bubbles. Watch.
Oh, bubbles.
No, smooth it down.
Bubbles.
Smooth it.
Bubbles.
Smooth it. That's how. It's gonna smooth. Watch it smoothing out.
It's smoothing out by itself.
Right.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Anyway, you got to give it an assist.
All right. I guess I gotta
start from the center and go out.
Smoothing it out. Oh wow!
I'll come back down the other way, and you welcome.
Wow, you lucky.
Don't be a jerk like me and do it in winds like this, right? Do it at home, nice, clean. But mine came out crisp, nice, and it comes with 2, so you always have an extra, which is nice. You always need an extra, right? But this here will save your screen from scratches and stuff like that. I've always never used these. I'm always good with carrying my screens, but at $1,200 retail for one of these, you better put some protection on it. Boom. Yeah, don't put on screen protectors in this kind of wind, but yeah, it's crazy out here. But nothing the old DJI FPV can't handle. Hoo, hoo, hoo. You need some DJI FPV props in your life. Here we go. Master Airscrew with the red prop. Oh, these ones look shorter than the stock props. This one's got like a straight edge. The stock props got like a sharp edge, but I ain't got time to analyze this stuff. Let's get it up in the air and see if there's any difference. This is a lot smoother. Sharper, the way it turns, the way it handles. Ain't she a pretty little bird? Of course, links to everything in the description section, including this cool grill right here that could save you some front impact wetsuit so you can fly in the rain, in case you were wondering what all this redness is about. And now, of course, the red props. So all in all, happy with the screen protector. It works good. Master Airscrew props for my Air 2S. Love it. The jet black and the red. These I highly recommend. You can feel the performance. I'm not flying without these. I'm never going back to stock props. And of course, the TripLTek mount. If you're a TripLTek guy, the TripLTek mount, love it. The way it fits, the way it adjusts, everything. Tweak your drones up a little bit. Accessories are always nice to have and fun things to buy for your drone. With that being said, guys, give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos. And I will catch you guys, well, whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel, and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.